$10 bill. What you gonna buy with that greenback? What kind of thrill? $10 bill in your pocket, a $10 bill. Tell me, where did you get that money? Who'd you have to kill? I got a big black gun. It's time to share the cash now, nowhere to run. I got a big black gun in my pocket. I got a big black gun.
¿Puede pasar?